Now you're going to take the liquid. Nope. No
There's
more.
no more.
No more. Take the liquid and pour it in the empty ones. A little bit in each one of the empty ones. A little bit. Same thing in the other one. Try not to make a mess, Dice. Whoa, that's a mess.
What the?
Alright, now it's okay. Now put the ones with the liquid in the middle of the table. Alright, put the ones with the stuff inside it next to it. Alright, what you're going to do at the same time is grab the one with the liquid and then pour it into the one with the stuff. Go.
Whoa. Then why is mine not working?
It did, just Ticey did more.
With the city.
Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Whoa. No.